Alright. Let's pop these clips out. Probably should have got a stronger, let me see if we can use the back side. This might be too thick. That exposes those 12s. And you do the same with that one and that one. Alright. Get your little ugga dugga with a 12mm. Zip those out. And you got one more over there. Rear driver's side quarter panel. Remove this 10 with your ratchet or your ugga dugga, and you'll be reusing this. Slide this bracket back. Put your 10 back in. Now there's little lips up here go on your fender. Pull those tight and then lock that down. Now according to the directions, it tells you to put this bracket at 10 3/4, and then you peel the tape off, stick it on. Top bracket on, bottom bracket on, time for the ladder. Tighten those 2 bolts with your 4mm Allen. It pulls in nice and tight. And that's the NashFab company Lexus GX 460 side ladder. There is room up top because I'll be installing the Prinsu roof rack, which I was told it will work with the Prinsu Pro. So we'll see what we're going to do here. Stay tuned.